I'm Brian Black with A&B European Motors. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about choosing the right shop. What do you look for to choose the right shop? I'll give you an example. A&B European Motors, we have 3 master certifications, 3 techs that are master certified. Our service advisor is master certified. So the difference is when you ask him questions, or he can ask you questions, he asks you questions because he knows the vehicle inside and out. That helps you eliminate the unknown. Same with our technicians. They have the ability to diagnose it. We have the equipment, we have the software, all the updates and stuff like that. We stay on top of that. You know, it's like going to the doctor and having to go back 4 or 5 times because he's really not sure what he's doing and he's misdiagnosing it, not knowing this. So when you're choosing a shop, doesn't matter what brand you choose, you've got to find out what is their skill set, what background do they have, what training do they have the equipment to do it? Instead of just throwing money into a pit, which we see every day. It's very frustrating for us. We see it every day. People spend thousands of dollars, 3, 4 different shops, then they bring it to us, and we could have saved them thousands of dollars because we have the skill set, we have the equipment to do it. So, that being said, start with the best, forget the rest. Call us at A&B European Motors, 916-415-1994, or visit us on the web at abeuro.com. Thank you much.